So, welcome to this very easy but super effective card tricks, the Boston card opener. So, if you don't mind, choose any cards, anywhere you like.
Okay, I like this.
Perfect. So, see the camera. So, you say stop anywhere you like.
Stop.
Stop. Now you put the card here. Absolutely. Nothing. Watch. I'm gonna wave my hand over here. I'll tell stop. Now, one card will turn into a different color. Now watch. Turn into different color. Like that.
Holy shit!
Now, what was the name of your card?
8 of hearts.
8 of hearts. Absolutely. You got it. 8 of hearts.
Oh my god!
It's green. 8 of hearts, green card. Now, I'm gonna take 8 of hearts in your hand. 8 of hearts. Now, again, you say stop anywhere you like.
Stop.
Stop. Now, remember this card. Remember it.
I got it.
You got it? I got it, the card. Watch. A little wave again. Little stomp. Now, the card that you have seen will turn to a different color also. Like this. Green card. Watch. Green card. Green card. Baka tayo tinitingnan dito. Green card. Oh, green card. Come on.
No, there's nothing green.
You see a green card?
Are you kidding me?
Green card, green card.
Green card. It's only one here.
You think this is your card? Six of spades?
Yeah.
I don't know. You open it?
No.
Keep your eyes open.
Holy shit! Some spade.
Life goes by in the blink of an eye. The mind of a mystic works with his instincts. A magical wizardry of skills that are distinct. Fine-tuned and in sync with the laws of physics. Sleight of hand tricks are so swift you don't miss this. The best
4 of hearts. So itong 4 of hearts, face down natin. Lagay natin dito. Gagawin natin. Itong joker. Tapos ito, 4 of hearts. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's trilogy.